Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the document and isolating where landscape will apply. Put the cursor at the start of the page you want rotated, then insert a section break, next page. This creates a separate section so changes won't affect the whole document. Make sure to save a copy before you change any settings. Once the section exists, you're ready to change orientation for only that section without disturbing headers, footers, or margins elsewhere in the file. With the cursor inside the section, open Layout and choose Orientation, then select Landscape. Important: open Page Setup dialog and set Apply to this section, not the whole document. This is why you made the break, it scopes the change. Next, check margins and paper size to keep content aligned. Change to custom margins if objects shift. If you have images or tables, resize or reposition them now, so the layout looks balanced. To finish, insert another section break, next page, where Portrait should resume, then set that later section back to Portrait if required. Verify headers and footers. Use link to previous toggles to unlink sections so each header is independent. If the landscape option affects more pages than intended, show formatting marks, confirm section breaks exist, and reinsert them where needed. If objects jump, adjust their wrapping or anchor to a paragraph within the correct section to lock positioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.